Okay, so you know last time we did 14 gardan of mazi. Okay, nasara. If I give you one word, let's suppose nasara. Okay, normally the gardan is on fa ain lam. Okay, normally the gardan is fa ain lam. Afan, afan. Normally the gardan is always fa ain and lam. Fa ain and lam. Okay, fa'ala. So you can make the gardan of all 14 sigha. فعلا فعلا فعلوا فعلت فعلتا فعلنا فعلتا فعلتما فعلتم فعلتي فعلتما فعلتنا. Wait. Let me go down. فعلتي فعلتما فعلتن, and for the last two فعلتو فعلنا. So if we divide them, if we divide this, let me make it smaller. So see this. If we divide this, then color. Okay. If we divide this, then remember we talk about this is one category of ghaib, the person who is not present, the person who is not present in the conversation, and those are males, okay, but they are not present. So the first one is one person, this is two-person, and this is third person. Remember? Then we divide these three categories, that this is also ghaib. Okay, or what we can do, look, to make it more clear and easy, what we can do, um, I don't know how to change the color. This is so okay, okay, yeah. हो रहा नहीं है ऐसा? ये, and then ये, okay, let me take the red one. Okay, now see, so these two are ghaib, ghaib, okay, and for ghaib, this one is for male ghaib and this one is for female ghaib. Okay? Let me do this. Okay? First, huh? What? मेरे बैग में है पेन, अंदर है, थैली में है, अंदर जिपलॉक में है. Okay, so this is male, this is female, and this is ghaib, absent person, who is not present in the conversation. Okay, then remember we talked about the second category. This was first category, okay? 6 Three this, and then this for male, this for female, this for male, this for female, okay? And then this one we did for present people who are present in the conversation. Like I'm talking to you, Farah is present here. I'm talking to Gamal, he's present here. So you will lie in this category. But if I'm talking about Shamil, so he is not present, then he will be in this category. Okay. So 1% absent, 2% absent, more than 2% absent, 1% female absent, 2% female absent, more female absence, okay? 1% male present, 2% male present, more person male present, 1% female present. Hazir means present, okay? Ghaib means absent. And then more person female. So this is uh, uh, one, okay, the ghaib category, present category, and third one we did the speaker category, that is called mutakallim, speaker. Speaker is called mutakallim, okay, or a speaker could be either one person, wahid, Muzakkar or muannas means male or female. Stop. Tasniya, Jama, Muzakkar or Muannas, Mutakallim. Okay, the second category is two or more. Tasniya means two, Jama means more than two. Wahid means one. Okay, so the third category is the speaker category. Speaker category either be one person who is talking or two or more persons. Okay, so they didn't make three categories, they make only two categories for a speaker. Okay, one is separate and two and more than two are separate. So is this chart clear now? Any question? Kamil, Zara, Farah,
Yeah.
Ujba, Afan. Clear? Any question?
No.
No? Farah
All good, Sakala.
or Ujba? Afan? Okay. So if we did this category with Fa'ala, if I'll take a word instead of Fa'ala, let's suppose three letters verb, then what I will do instead of Ain, Lam is the, you can say the formula. Okay. You will fit every three letter under this category. Okay. And then you will do like Noon, Sa, and Ra. If you find these three letters, then you will do Nasara. So you will put instead of Noon, instead of Fa, you will put Noon. Instead of Ain, in place of Ain, you will put Sad. In place of Lam, you will put Ra. And then you can make the entire whole 14 sigas. Nasara, Nasara, Nasaru, Nasarat, Nasarta, Nasarna. Nasarta, Nasartuma, Nasartum, Nasarti, Nasartuma, Nasartunna, Nasartu, Nasarna. Okay, so this is number one. And number two, remember last time I told you that they are giving that he one male help. So from where this he, translation is coming. So basically, this is hidden inside this three letter word. Whenever you will see any verb, Nasara means help, right? Nasara means help. So when you will see the word help, so when you will put on this formula, then automatically it will give you the pronouns. Automatically. This is hidden pronouns in this. Okay. This is the hidden pronouns. Okay. That is called the pronoun in Arabic called zamir, and there are two types of zamir. There are two types of pronoun. One is attached pronoun, one is detached pronoun. Okay, some pronouns are attached, some are detached, some are hidden, and some are, some you can see, some you cannot see. Okay, so the hidden one is called mustatir. Okay, the one which you cannot see. Okay, mustatir. So there is hidden, these are hidden pronouns. Whenever you will put any letter, any three letter verb in this formula, there is a hidden pronoun in this. Okay. That is why this meaning is coming. Let's suppose instead of this, if I put ja'ala, jim, ain, and lam, ja'ala. Okay, ja'ala means make. Okay, so you can make this gardan. Ja'ala, ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'alat, ja'alata, ja'alna, ja'alta, ja'altuma, ja'altum, ja'alti, ja'altuma, ja'altunna, ja'altu, ja'alna. Ja'ala means he one make he one male helped. Okay. So because this is from first category, that is why it's giving us the concept of male. The male is absent, okay, and the he is basically hidden pronoun. You cannot see this in the word, but it is already there because you are putting in the form. Okay, so it is built-in pronoun. Okay, attached in this formula. Is this clear? This second thing is clear. Remember last time I was explaining this to you and you guys were a little confused about the pronouns. Remember?
Yeah.
Is it clear now? I'm not going in detail about the pronoun, what are the hidden pronouns here, but just keep in mind that in Mazi, in Fi'l Mazi, hidden pronouns are there. That is why you are getting this meaning. Okay?
Okay.
Why you are getting this meaning? Because these are the hidden commas. Is it clear? This Madi concept is clear now?
Yep.
Everything is clear? Any question? No
Nope.
question? Huh? No question?
No questions.
Okay. Okay. So inshallah, let's move on if you guys have no question. Remember, we did this as well. Like, as I said, when you are talking about Mazi, when you are talking about past, then there are two kind of past. 1 minute. There are past. So there are two kind of past. I like. I'm explaining this in English. I go. Sorry, I went. Okay, past. I went. Okay. And this is one category, the positive category. I went. And if I want to make a negative one, what I will say? What I will say?
I did not go, or I did not.
Did not go. Very good. It was simple. I did not go. Okay, I did not go. Same in Arabic. Okay, there are two kind of past categories. One, when you are talking about the positive sentences in which you are doing the things, and the second category is when you are saying no in the sentence. Okay, clear? In
Clear.
Arabic, is it clear? Okay,
Yes.
past have two categories. Okay, so when you are past have two categories. Past have two categories. Okay, positive and negative. Okay, so the same thing, like the same concept in Arabic in Fele Mazi. One is positive sentences. This one, okay, this is called Muzbat, means sabata. Muzbat means positive. Okay, so you did this positive one already. Okay, Nasara, Nasara, Nasaru. This is all positive. You will not see any not in this sentence. Clear? Clear?
Clear.
Okay, now go on the next one and see. They are the negative one. Okay, so when you talk about the negative sentences, it is called in Arabic manfi. Okay, this is called negative. The only and only thing you do, whatever word you have, you put mim alif double ma before it to make it negative. Nasara means he one male helped, and ma nasara one male did not help. Very simple. Any question in this?
No.
Law. Now you must understand the basic rule of this law of making Mazi Maroof Manfi to Mazi Maroof Muzbat. Manfi Muzbat means positive sentence. Manfi means negative sentence. Mazi means past. Maroof means normal sentence, active sentences in which doer you know who is doing this work. Okay, Maroof means when you know who is doing this work. Okay, so basically keep this in mind that sentences are of, let's suppose I'm talking about past or any sentence, past or mazi, mubare, whatever. Mazi. Okay, so there you must remember three things. Okay, number one, the sentences in which you know the doer, okay, are called maruf. Mim, Ain, Ra, Waw, Fa, maruf. You know who is doing this work. Okay. Number two, you don't know who is doing this work. Okay. You don't know who is doing this work. That is called majhool. Mim, Jim, Ha, Waw, Lam, majhool. When you don't know who is doing this work, you don't know the doer. Okay. Second thing you learned, Muzbat. Mim ta ba ta. Muzbat. Positive sentences are called Muzbat sentences. Okay. All the positive kind of sentences in Quran, if it can be mazi, it can be mudare, it can be amar, it can be nahi. Okay. The ordering no sentences. Okay. Any category. Okay. And the first pair is this. Okay. Second pair is, or I can write 1 1 so you understand this is a pair, 2 2, this is a pair. Okay. Positive sentence is called musbat and negative sentences called negative sentences called manfi. Meme noon pa chutiye. Meme noon pa, yeah, manfi. Meme noon pa, yeah. Yes, Farah?
Could you just say what doer and do not is in Arabic one more time?
Ma'roof. Meme, ain, ra, waw, and fa. Ma'roof.
Oh, okay. Maroof and Majhool?
Ma'roof and Majhool. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Ma'roof and Majhool.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Okay, Majhool. Kamil, remember we did this in the start. Ma'roof and Majhool.
Oh yeah, I think I still have a screenshot
Yeah,
of it.
when you don't know the doer, remember we did the example. You are Kamil is teaching a fun. Someone is teaching a fun. So we said if I'll say Kamil is teaching a fun, then you know who is teaching a fun. So you are the doer. Kamil is the doer here. So those sentences are Maruf sentences. But if I'll say someone teached a fun, so I don't know who teached a fun, right? So those sentences are called Majhul sentences because you don't know the doer. Clear? Clear?
Clear.
Positive and negative sentences, musbat and manfi sentences. The only thing is if let's suppose there is a verb, three-letter verb, any verb, let's suppose fa'ala, fa'ain lam, because fa'ala is the base, okay? Fa'ala is the base. That is called musbat sentence, positive sentence, but whenever you want to make a negative, you will write the same word, no change, only add mim alif zabar ma before it. Okay? So when you add mim alif zabar ma before it, that means this is a past negative sentence. Okay? So one thing is very, very clear in Quran when you are doing the translation, whenever you see ma comes, you know, with for other meaning as well. Day by day you will learn. But whenever in question sentence you are, or negative sentences you are watching ma, it will give you a sense that the sentence is past, in past tense, because ma never comes in future and present tense. Okay, so this is one basic thing. Okay, clear?
Clear.
Okay, now let's go back to the chapter again. Okay, so this is easy. Now you understand the terms. Mazi, past, Maruf, positive. You know the doer, not positive. You know the doer, and Manfi means negative. Okay, so Mazi means past tense. Maruf means you know the doer, and Manfi means no kind of sentences. Okay, negative sentences. Okay, law of making. Law of making. If a sentence is Mazi, Maruf, let's suppose if a sentence is Mazi, Maruf, Muzbat. If some sentences are in past tense but positive sentences, are you able to make it convert it into a negative sentence? Can you do that? Yes or no? Quick, quick, quick.
Yeah, I think so.
Of course, yes, because what you will add before it to make it negative?
Meme Aleph.
That's it. Place a nafi ma in front of musbat, maruf, mazi. If you have any word which is positive and you want to make it negative in past tense, what you will add? Only mim al ma to make it negative, and it will give you a negative sense. Simple. Clear?
Clear.
Manfi. Mim known for, yeah, manfi. Okay, now go back. Okay, now we will talk about the Majhool sentences. Okay, Majhool sentences. Okay, Mazi means past. Majhool means you don't know the doer. Okay, doer you don't know. Okay, and Muzbat means positive. Okay, the way I told you in over here. Okay, the way I told you over here that doer and like doer and or I can write here doer, but you don't know the doer. Okay, I'll put a cross. You don't know the doer. Okay, so there are two kind of sentences in this as well: positive and negative. Okay, and either you are doing Majhool sentences. Majhool sentences are also two kinds. If you don't know the doer, it can be positive sentence as well. It can be negative sentence as well. So how many categories now for the past tense? Quickly answer me. How many categories for the past tense now?
Like with
First
the
divide into two. First divide into two. That Maroof, in which you know the doer, and Majhool, in which you don't know the doer. Okay. Then Maroof are of also two types. What are they?
positive and negative.
Positive and negative. Okay. Negative are called Manfi, and positive are called Muzbat. Muzbat. Okay. Positive and negative. Okay. I'm telling you the English version as well, but it's good if you try to remember the Arabic one. Otherwise, whenever you will be learning or listening from anywhere else, then it will be very new. Like terminology will be very new. That you will be understanding in English, but you will not be understanding in Arabic. So learning the Arabic language, then it's good to understand all the terminologies which are Arabic. Okay. So, anyways, like this is positive and this is negative. In the same way, there are two types of Majhool sentences. What are they? Same,
Positive
same.
and negative.
Yeah, very good. Same thing. Positive and negative. Okay. Musbat and Manfi. Okay. Now tell me that how many categories you have done so far? You have done Musbat. You have done Manfi. What we add for making a past tense Manfi? When we want to make a past tense in negative, when we want to change the past positive sentence into negative, what we add? Very good. Mishba answered. We add ma. Okay. Same when we want to change the majhool sentence into negative and its past tense, we add ma to make it. The only thing you need to remember how you will differentiate this is maruf for maruf musbat, maruf positive sentence, and how you will understand that this is majhool musbat sentence. So of course there is some rule which will make a clear difference. This is maruf sentences, you know the doer, and this is Majhool sentences. You don't know the doer. Okay. So now we will do how we will figure out this is Majhool sentences and you don't know the doer. When you don't know the doer, what are the changes you will see, like how you will differentiate between this and this. Because Musbat and Manfi, like positive and negative in Maru sentences, positive and negative in Majhool sentences. But there is a clear difference how you figure out that this is Majhool and this is Maru. Okay. So inshallah, now we are learning the difference, how to figure it out. Okay. So let's go to the book again and see Mazi, Majhool, Muzbat. Mazi means past, Majhool means when you don't know the doer. Okay, let me make it a little bigger. When you don't know the doer, Muzbat means positive sentence. Okay, the only and only formula which you will write is over here. The positive sentences has na, sa, ra. Remember? Right? When you
Yeah.
want to make it majhool, what is the formula? First letter, the letters will be same, only sign will be different. Noon will be coming with, the first letter will be coming with Dhamma, second letter will be coming with Kasra, and third letter with Fatha. That's it. This is the tricky only difference which will tell you that this sentence is, in this sentence you know the doer, and in this sentence you don't know the doer. Now you, day by day you will learn why the the signs are very important to read in Quran recitation, very very important, because it changed the entire whole meaning. Like I am saying Farah is making cake. Farah is making cake, and I said cake was made. Now tell me the difference. Which sentence is the musbat? Like which sentence is, in which sentence you know the doer, and in which sentence you don't know the doer? Hmm? Okay, Afan is saying first, in first one you know the doer, and in second one you don't know the doer. Kamil, I cannot hear a single voice from you. Are you there? Kamil,
Yeah.
yeah, sleeping?
No.
Answer me so I can understand. Like yes, you are listening. Okay, which
Yeah.
sentence is the, which sentence is doer and which sentence is not explaining about the doer? Hmm?
Me?
Anyone? For you, Uzba. Okay. Afan is saying first one is explaining the doer is present. In second sentence, the doer is not present. Okay. What is the English? What is the Arabic of make? What is the Arabic of make? Ja'ala. Okay. Okay. Ja'ala. Okay. Now, if I'll say make a sentence from Ja'ala, Muzbat sentence, positive sentence, what you will make? Okay, let's suppose Ja'ala cake. Okay, let's suppose Ja'ala cake. Okay, Ja'ala cake. Now you are making a sentence in which you don't know the doer. Then how you will make the sentence? What will be the difference? Huh? Try. Farah?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, let's suppose I said Ja'ala means, Afan said Ja'ala cake. Okay, he doesn't know the Arabic. Okay, of cake. Okay, let's suppose Ja'ala cake. So this Ja'ala is showing first sentence or the second one. You know the doer, you don't know the doer in this. Second,
Don't know the
first or
if,
second?
if it's ja'ala, then you know the doer.
You know the doer, okay? And you know the doer. If you are saying ja'ala, that is musbat sentence, you know the doer. And if you want to make the second sentence in which you don't know the doer, what will be the Arabic?
You'll change ja'ala to ju'ila.
Very good. Ja'ala to ju'ila, okay? Now you understand the concept? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay? If the only sign, like you will now write the rules of it, okay? Write the rules of it. Law of making Mazi Maroof to Mazi Majhool. When you know the doer, if you want to change the sentence into you don't know the doer, you want to hide the doer, okay? Then you will give kalima fa, let's suppose fa ain lam. Fa ain lam. Okay? Fa'ala. So fa, you will give dhamma. On fa, you will give dhamma. And ain kalima, you will give kasra. Ain kalima, you will give kasra. Leave the kalima lam as it is. Whatever sign is on lam will be as it is. So nasara will become, first you will add noon, then instead of fatha you will add kasra, and you will leave the last letter as it is. So nasara will become nusira. So you will change all Madi sentences, Madi Muzbat sentences into Majhool Muzbat sentences. Like if you have Maroof sentences, positive sentence, and you want to change the positive sentences into the negative one, this is the only rule you will follow. Is this clear?
Clear.
Clear? Kamil?
Clear.
Clear?
Yep.
Okay, write it somewhere. Otherwise, if you will only learn and you will not write the points, because the book is in front of you. Whenever you will open, inshallah, you can revise from the book, but write your own points. Okay, so it always helps. Okay, now see the example. Okay, now see the gardan. Now the first letter will be with dhamma, second letter will be with kasra. Okay, so nusira, nusira, nusiru. The gardan will be same. Nusirat, nusirata, nusirna, nusirta, nusirtuma, nusirtum, nusirti, nusirtuma, nusirtumna, nusirtu, nusirna. Okay, now see here, nusira. He, one male, was helped. Okay, the Majhool, this is a Majhool sentence. Okay, the only this difference in the that the doer is not present. Was helped. The person was helped. Nobody knows who helped. Okay, person was helped. Nusira, person were helped. Nusiru, person, they, many males were helped. Somebody helped, but you don't know who helped. Nusirat, she, one female, was helped. Nusirata, they, two females, were helped. Tasniya Muannas Ghaib. Nusirna, they, many females, were helped. Jama Muannas Ghaib. Nusirta, one male was helped. Two male were helped. You, many male, were helped. Okay, one female was helped. Two females were helped. Many females were helped. Okay, so the only different, like if, like when you are learning the translation in Quran, and if you have a good command of understanding the doer sentences, and when the doer is not present, when it is manfi sentence, like negative sentence, when it is positive sentence, if you have a good command of understanding every single scenario about past, then when you will translate the Arabic into English, then you will not make this mistake. You know this is past sentence, so I have to put ed, and I have to use the correct word form, and how many people they are referring. If dhamma is coming in the start, then this is not a sentence in which doer is present. Like the doer is not present, that's why noon with dhamma sign is coming. So all these concepts will be in your mind, whatever you have learned here. So is this clear now? Any
Clear.
question?
Yeah.
Any question?
Nope.
Okay. So when you are doing this in Quran, okay, when you are reading your Quran, inshallah, try to focus about the past sentences when you are reading it. Okay, day by day, it will give you more good sense. Okay, because I'm not giving you as a homework what normally our teacher said. Okay, when you are reading Quran, figure out 5 words in next class. Bring those 5 words that I figured out. Okay, this was 5 words. Those were Maroof sentences. Maruf sentences always remember with example that nasara with all fathas, okay? But Madhul sentences has dhamma in the first one, no, and second sentence has kasra, okay? So no sira. This is Majhul, this is Maruf. So try to understand when you are reading Quran I know you don't know the translation of that word which you are reading, but it will day by day, day by day, day by day, when you are reading Quran and you will focus, inshallah, everything will be getting more and more clear in your mind. Okay, so is this clear?
Clear.
This was all about. Okay, now a quick question. Uh, yeah, one more thing. No, I think I have told that one. Yeah, Majhool sentences are positive and negative. Maroof sentences are as both positive and negative. Okay. So this is Majhool sentence and negative. Okay. So see here. See here. These are the sentence. This Dhamma is showing us this is Majhool sentence, and Ma in the star is showing this is negative Majhool. Okay. So this is negative Majhool. Okay. Negative Majhool past tense. Okay. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is all done about the past. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So you have a concept. Now when you will apply this concept in Quran, it will day by day more clear, inshallah. Okay. Then we will start about the Mudari. I'm not going in the Gurdan of Mudari today, but I will explain few rules. Okay. And we will revise all those rules in the next class. And then you will start, Alhamdulillah, the second concept of the sentences. Okay. Mudare, what does mudare means? Okay, mudare means present and future. Okay, so you need to write all these things. Okay, present and future is called mudare. Okay, mudare means present and future tense together. Sometimes the sentence will be present and sometimes the sentence will be in future. Sometimes it will be in present and sometimes the sentence will be in future. You will figure out according to the context, like you will figure out according to the, whatever story is going on. Okay, so you can figure out. Okay, now there are few laws of making it. The law you learn in the past tense, that okay, fatha sign, dhamma sign, kasra sign. Okay, there are few laws in Mudari as well. Okay. And there are so many Mudari in Quran. Okay. So inshallah, when you will learn these laws, then it will be very, very easy to figure out, oh, this is a Mudari sentence. They are talking about present and future. This is the Madi sentence. They are talking about past in the Quran. Place one of the sign of Mudari. Okay, there are two signs which make a clear differentiate between the Madi and the Mudari, past tense and the future tense. Okay, Mudari always have four signs. Okay, Mudari sentences have four signs. Okay, Atain, Atain. Remember, in Kalkala, we learned Kutubu Jaddin, so we can easily figure out Qaf, Fa, Da, Jim, Dal, right? In the same way, in Mudare, we remember this word, Atain. Okay, what does it mean? Either you will see the letter Aleph before verb, either you will see the letter ta or ya or noon, atain. Okay? These are the four signs. Whenever you see any word, let's suppose the letter was ja, ha, la. Okay? Either alif will be in front of it, either the ta. Often you are not listening. Ta will be in front of it instead of alif, tajala. Okay? Okay. Then might be ya will be in front of it, and you will see how the word change in Quran. Ya will be in front of it, ya jala, or noon will be in front of it. Okay, noon will be in front of it, na jala. So whenever the word will be the root word will be same, jim, ain, lam, but before root word you will see one of the mudare sign, one of the mudare, symbol. Okay, and the symbol are atain, either hamza, ta, ya, or nun. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now alif, is used for the mutakallim, the last one, wahid, muzakkar or muannas, mutakallim. Alif only comes in the start when talking about speaker. Okay, because we know there are three categories: first person, second person, like right person, present person, or speaker person, right? So when they are talking about speaker, okay, the last category, speaker one, mutakallim. So you will see in the end alif. Okay, ta will be used in 8 places. There are 14 gardan, right? So ta is coming in 8 places. Inshallah, you will see wherever ta coming. Okay, this ta it comes at 8 places. Ya is coming at 4 places. The gardan is same. Keep the mazi gardan in mind. If you have a good command of the mazi gardan, fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'alna. Okay, these are the 14 words. Okay, if you remember these 14 formulas, you can make anything, either mudare or anything, okay? Because you just need to add little words here and there and then you can make it, okay? So ta comes in 8 places, ya comes in 4 places, and noon is also used for mutakallim, okay? But the plural one. Alif comes for what for the speaker, and noon is also like this start and end, both are for a speaker. This is also for a speaker and this is also for a speaker, but the only difference is alif represent I, okay, I am going, and noon represent we are going, okay, I am going, we are going. So if let's suppose uh, Zahaba. Zahaba means go. Okay. Zahaba means go. Okay. If I will add azhaba, so what does it mean? I go. Okay. Because I am using atain alif here. Azhaba. And if I will use noon, nazhaba, like zahaba, and I use noon here, then first, it's showing mudare because there is a sign of mudare before verb. And second, it is showing that we are talking about we. We are talking about we. Okay, we are going. Is this clear? The second rule is clear.
Clear.
First was there are, you can easily change the mazi gardan into mudare by adding these 4 words. But where you will use these 4 words? Aleph is a speaker. For a speaker, noon, the last one, noon is also for a speaker. Aleph is a speaker for myself, and noon is for ourselves. That is it. Okay. Now, third point. You have done one, that muzare can be easily, mazi, past tense can easily be changed into mudare. This was the number 1 rule. Okay. How you will change? You will add these 4 words in the start. Okay. Atain in the start. And there is a condition how to use atain in the start. So alif you use for mutakallim, noon you use for mutakallim. Ta comes so many places, 8 places, ya come at 4 places. Okay. Now see here. This is the second rule. You know it. Okay. That there is a sign. Okay. You will add atain. Now third one. Change in the end of mudare. The kalima lam will get a dhamma at 5 places. Okay. Okay, so I will explain this inshallah that changes at the end of the mudari. Okay, the third rule is changes at the end of the mudari. So I am not going into the gardan, but I'll just show the gardan to you guys to give you a good idea how we do it. Okay, so see here the next topic of the next topic will be the Mudari Gardan. And this is pretty same. Like don't, like, it's not hard now, because if you understand Mazi very well, and we spend so much time understanding Mazi, okay, because everything depends if your Mazi Gadan is good. Let's suppose you are doing their Nasara, okay, Nasara, okay. For making it Mudare, what you will do, what I explained, what you will do, only addition
Front?
in the front, okay, in the start, okay. Sometime ya will come, as they say, ya come on 8 places, right? Sometime, yeah, and sometime they say no ya over here as well, okay. So there are 8 places where ya will come, okay. There are few places where ta will come, okay. Let me make it bigger. I think very small, so you will not be able to see it. Okay, okay. See here. Now see, ya is in the start, ya in the start, ya in the start, ta in the start, ta in the start, ya in the start, noon in the start, sorry, ta in the start, ta. These are the signs. If you will see this sign, that means these are the sentence. This is not a Madi sentence. This is not a past sentence. This is a Mudari sentence. It's talking about present or future. Okay, so you will make the transition into present and future. Ta in the start, ta in the start, ta in the start, ta in the start, Hamza in the start, and Noon in the start. So these two are for Mutakallim. Hamza in the start and Noon in the start for Mutakallim, for the speaker. Rest of the other have ta and ta or ya. That's it. So easy. Any question in this?
No.
Clear?
Yes.
Really? Or mixing up in the mind with the past?
I think I have to review it a little bit because I think I'll mix up like um some of the ending, like the
Look,
ending and
look, 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 look. Don't get mixed up, because you first learn about the past tense, okay? Then you learn past tense are of two types. Every single sentence are of two types. Like either it's past tense or present tense of future, like either it's Madi or it's Mudare, whatever. They are always divided into two categories, two further categories. Maroof, which you know the doer, okay? You know the doer, and Majhool, in which you don't know the doer. You already did this few days back, because it's a long gap, so sometime it will skip. Okay, do not know the doer. Okay, that is like, just remember the word with the terminology. Do not know the doer. You don't know the doer. Okay, you don't know the doer in the Majhool sentence. All the sentences are divided into these two categories. How you will figure out this is Maruf sentence, you know the doer, and how you figure out you don't know the doer, with the signs. Okay, Maruf sentences never have a dhamma on it. It always starts with fatha. Okay, Majhool sentences start with dhamma. The first letter has dhamma and second letter has fatha. Is this clear? These two things is clear.
yes.
Now, Maru sentence always, of course, even though you know the doer, there are two types of sentences always, either positive or negative. Okay, if it's a positive sentence, then you will not see any word before. But if it's a negative sentence, you will see Meen Ali Zabbar Ma in the sentence. Remember, when you are doing the translation, sometimes you learn La means no. Remember? Remember? La means no in Arabic.
Yeah.
Remember? But la only comes in mudare. Okay, when the sentence is present and future, then la comes. Ma comes in past tense. Okay, both meaning are same. This is also, this ma means no, this la means no. But there is a difference. Okay, ma always comes in only in past tense. La comes. You will learn that la comes in present tense. Okay, so these are the things. If somebody doesn't know, then they can do the mistake, right? So Maru sentences are of two types, positive and negative, and Madhu sentences are also two types, positive and negative. If you know the the three-word letter. You can easily make anything. Let's suppose it's positive, you will make nasara. Okay, let's see here. It's positive sentence, nasara. If you want to make the negative of nasara, what you will make? You can easily convert the positive sentences into negative. What you will make?
For Nasara,
Yeah,
Ma Nasara.
manasa. Very good, manasa. Okay, manasa. And if I'll say that you don't know the doer, then how you will change Nasara? If you know this word, you can make anything. Okay, you can make anything. This is this one you know the doer. Okay, but if I want to make you don't know the doer, then what you will make? How you will change it? How you will
Nusira.
convert the Maroof sentence into Majhool sentence? Very good. The first letter will be having Dhamma, second letter with Kasra, third letter with whatever. Okay? Nusira. Okay? So the Maru sentences can easily be converted into Majhul sentences by only changing the sign. Clear? And then if Maru sentences are Nasara, as Farah said, you can easily change into negative. And if let's suppose Majhul sentences. What is the Majhul sentence for here? What is the Majhul of Nasara?
Then Majhul of Nasra is Ma Nasara.
No.
Oh, Nusira is Nusira after.
Nusira. Okay. So the Muzbat is Nusira. Nusira. And if you want to make a negative of Majhul sentences, then
Ma Nusira.
very good. Ma Nusira. Ma Nusira. That's it. Okay. Now I'm giving you a few examples to make it more clear. Let's suppose these are the two categories of Musbat sentences. Okay, Musbat sentences, positive sentences, and two categories. Like these two categories for Musbat sentences and these two categories for Manfi sentences, negative sentences. Okay, Musbat sentences and negative sentences. Let's suppose I'm giving you a word, ja, a, la. Okay, now you are making Musbat and Maroof and Majhool. Okay, Maroof over in these two columns you will make Maroof, and in these two columns you will make Majhool. Okay, Majhool. Okay, let me erase this one. Okay, and you are making Maroof and Majhool. Okay, Jala, make it. So I'm giving you turns. Okay, one by one. Yes. So for you start.
Okay,
What will be the
so
Maroof? What will be the like? I'm not putting any sign on it. You will
okay,
do by yourself. Okay.
okay. So starting with Ja'ala, all fatas.
Yeah, and explain it. Explain it. Ja
Uh,
is
like explain what it means in English, or just
no. Explain
it's
it.
a
What is Jala? It's Maroof sentence, like it's positive sentence, negative
it's
sentence,
a
Majhul
the
what?
Ja'ala is a positive musbat sentence,
Sentence. Very good.
and then after that we have Ma Ja'ala, which is a
Very good.
negative musbat sentence. So both of these we know who the
Negative
doer is.
means Manfi. Okay.
Oh yeah, 1 P 1 P.
Ma Jala. Very good. And then if you will make a Majhul,
For the Majhul sentence, we do not know the doer, so the first one would be Ju'ila.
very good.
So this is Majhul positive. And
Majhul positive.
and
Majhul.
then
Majhul Mazbat. Okay.
yes. And
Majhul.
then
So use
uh,
the terminology so you will be used to saying it. Okay. I know it's a new word for you, but and then if you will make Manfi Majhul,
Manfi Majhul will be Ma Ju'ila.
Majuila. Ma
Okay.
Juila. Clear?
Yes. Wait, what's positive in Arabic
This
again?
and this is This and this is same. This is positive, this is negative. This and this is same. The only difference is this is negative and this is positive. Clear?
What's positive in Arabic again?
Musbat means
Musbat. Okay.
bata means
Okay.
you can if it's hard for you, you can write this way. Musbat but.
Okay.
Okay, you can write this way, so it will be more easy to read for you. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. Just
you will
okay.
be able to read the terminology, so you can easily read when the book is in front of you. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, entire whole life you will get confused. If you will not learn the terminologies, then you
Yeah.
can always confuse. Okay, so at least make it, uh, like feel it. This is normal. Like these are new words, but this is normal. I will learn it. Okay, and
Okay.
and and it will not like it will be same in mudare. It will be same in amar. It will be same in nahi. It will same everyone like musbat, mudare, majul, maruf. There is no other new words like this is the only word. It will come in every single buldan. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Ushba, I'm giving you one word and you are making it. Okay. So il alima, knowledge. Hmm? Or I can make it easy because this is coming with kasra. So might be this time in a start you get confused. Okay, so I'm giving you daraba. Daraba. Daraba means marna, beat. B-E-A-T. To beat someone. Okay. Yes. So first make maroof and Farah and Afan, you all, and Kamil, you also do it in your mind. Okay. So
Okay.
you will be quick making it. Yes. Daraba. And explain it. Mazi, maroof, musbat. Mhm. And no, don't look. Don't look. This is a test. Very good. Explain it. Mazi. mm, What you understand with ma? Manfi. And there is no dhamma. So this is muzbat. Very good. And ma is showing it's negative, right? Manfi. And fatha is showing this is muzbat. So ma doraba, maru, manfi, muzbat. And if you want to make it majhul, Duriba. First letter has Dhamma, second letter has Kasra, and third letter is Alif. Okay, Duriba. Explain it. Mazi, Majhul. First say Mazi, the main category is Mazi, then Majhul, then Musbat, because this is positive sentence. Okay, and then Maduriba. Okay, Mazi, Majhul. This is not Musbat, this is positive sentence. Manfi, Nafi, no. Okay. Manfi. Afan. I'm giving you one word, okay? Uh, mm, dakhala. Enter. Dakhala. Enter. Enter. Kamil, are you there?
Yeah.
Kamil, are you there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready for the word?
Yeah.
Okay.
A
Yes,
little.
Afan. Dakhala. Dakhala. And dakha. Wait. Da. Dakhala. Dakhala. हो गया dakhala ba. Huh? Oh, okay. You will add
Oh,
ma before.
ma dakhala
Ma dakhala.
du
Dakhala. Yes.
dukhila
Dukhila. Do Qila.
Ma duribu.
Eh?
Ma what is it? Ma the
This is
or
the same word you are using here, just adding ma before it.
ma di maduri madu khiru khiru khila khila.
Ma do Qila. Okay. Okay. I'm not asking the explanation of it. I don't know. You can able to explain or not. Okay. Okay. Talaba. To ask something. Okay. To ask something. Okay. To ask something. Okay. Yes. Kamil.
Okay, wait, what's the word? I can't really see.
Talamba. Talaba.
Talaba?
Talaba.
Okay, so the first one would be talaba.
Talaba. Very good.
And
And
then
explain it. Explain it.
um it's it's positive, I think.
Yeah, very good. It's positive sentence. So what you will say? First you explain three things. That this is a past sentence. Okay. Then you will explain that this is Maroof sentence. Okay. And then either Maroof or Majhool sentence. And then third thing you will explain this is positive or negative. If positive, you will say Muzbat. And if negative, you will say Manfi. Manfi. Okay. Okay. So you have to
Okay.
explain these three things in the word. Okay. You have to figure out these three things in the word. Okay. Falaba, past tense, maruf sentences, and either it's positive or negative. Masbat or manfi. What? Hmm? Is it positive
Um
sentence or negative sentence?
it's positive.
It's positive. What is the sign of negative sentence? If the
Um
sentence is negative, how? What is the sign?
it would be ma talaba.
Yeah, that's it. You will add ma in in the sentence. So ma talaba. Explain it. Explain these
Um
three things. Or I can write here maruf or majhool. Okay, majhool or maruf. Only these three things you are explaining in this. Okay. So
it's
talaba, ma
maruf,
talaba, past tense. It's maruf or majhool.
maruf.
Maruf. It's masbat or manfi.
I
Hmm?
don't know. I don't know that.
Manfi means no. Okay. Manfi means no. Ma means no. Masbat means yes. Positive sentence. Okay.
Okay, so Muzbat.
No. You
Oh,
are adding ma here. So
Manfi?
it's Manfi. Okay. If you are adding
Okay,
ma, that means it's Manfi. Okay. And you are watching Fatha in the start, that means this is Maruf. Okay. If the
okay,
Dhamma will be in start, that is Majhul. Okay.
okay. And then the
Okay.
next one would be Tulaba, which,
So, no, it's not Tulaba. First letter has Dhamma, second letter has
or Tuliba.
Tuliba. Very good. Okay.
Tuliba,
Tuliba.
and it would be
Pass,
Majhool.
pass. We start from here.
It would be
Past
Pass,
tense,
Pass, and then Majhool.
and
And
positive or
then
negative.
and
Masbat or
then
Manfi.
it would be yes. I don't know how to say that.
Masbat. Masbat.
Muzbat.
Okay. Okay. And the last category is
The last one would be Ma Tuliba.
very good. Ma Tuliba.
And I
Tu
think that's it's past Majul and
Manfi.
Manfi.
Very good. So remember this key. If you remember this key, then it will be very, very easy to explain the what you are saying. Okay. Then because first you will explain either past or future or like mudari or maruf. Mudare or Mazi. Okay, so it's past tense. It's Majhool or Maroof. So it's Majhool or Maroof. You can easily figure out if it's Majhool, then it's starting with the Ma. If it's Maroof, it is starting with the. And it's positive or negative, so you can easily figure out with Ma. If Ma is there, that means it's no, it's negative sentence. If Ma is not there, then it's false. Okay? I'm giving one more word. Who wants to do?
I'll try it.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay. I'm giving you one more word. Zahaba.
Zahaba. Okay.
Zahaba means went. Okay.
Okay.
So you are making first Maroof Muzbat. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So remember again. First you will explain its past for Madi or Mudare. Okay. Madi or Mudare. Okay. You will
Okay.
explain first this. Then you will explain it is Majhool,
Musbat or Majhool.
Maroof or Majhool. Okay. Then you
Majhool.
will explain Maroof or Majhool.
And then Musbat or Manfi.
Very good. Maroof means when you know the word. Okay. And
Okay.
when you don't know the word.
Okay.
Here you don't know the word. Okay. So yeah, this is the category. And then third you will explain Musbat or
Manfi.
Musbat or Manfi. Okay. Manfi.
Okay.
Actually, you are explaining these three things only. That's it. Okay. Musbat means positive sentence. Manfi means negative. Okay. So
Okay.
one, you are explaining this. Second number, you are explaining this in the sentence. And third, you are explaining this in the sentence. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. ذهب ماضي معروف مثبت. And
Mm-hmm.
then ما ذهب ماضي معروف مثبت.
Mm-hmm.
Um, ذهب ماضي مجهول مثبت.
Very
And
good.
then ما ذهب
Madhurya.
um, ماضي ماضي مجهول منفي.
Very good. Okay. Kamil, you want to try another word?
Okay.
Okay. Let me check some words. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Fataha. There is a surah Fatah, right? Fataha. Fataha means open. Okay. Open.
Okay.
Fataha. Okay.
Okay. So the first one would be Fataya.
Fataha. Same thing.
Fataha.
Fataha.
Fataha. It would be past
Hmm.
Maroof
Very good.
and
Musbat. This is you. Okay. This is you.
and Musfat.
Very good. Okay.
Wait, Musbat or Musfat? How do you say that?
Musbat. M-U-Z.
Musbat?
Z.
Okay.
Z. Okay.
Okay, Musbat.
Uh-huh.
And then the next one would be Ma Fataha,
Very good.
which is past Maroof and Marfi.
Very good.
Manfi. Yeah. And then the next one would be um Fut Fut Futiha.
Very good. Always remember, first letter has Dhamma, second letter is Fatha. The
Okay.
last letter will be as it is, whatever sound. Okay.
Okay. And then the last one would be Ma Futiha, which
Ma.
is
Yes.
past Majhool
Mm-hmm.
and Manfi.
Very good. Now, Alhamdulillah, you are getting it. Okay. So I was confused whether you guys are understanding or not. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Ujba, I am giving you one word. Ka. Ruma. And the words I'm giving, write those words in your notebook with meaning. So day by day, you will understand. You will see these words in Quran. Okay, so you will figure out. Okay, this is the meaning. Okay, so write these words in your notebook and the simple meanings. Okay, so karuma. Okay, karuma. Okay, karuma means giving respect to someone. Ikram, karuma. Okay, respect, giving respect to someone. Okay, yes, Vika. Hmm? Taruma, Madi. Madi Maroof. Madi Maroof Muzbat. Very good. Ma Taruma. Very good. Madi Maroof Manfi Ma Taruma. Always remember the formula. If you know the formula, then whatever sign it is, you remove those signs and add the new one. Pu, Purima, Mazimatul Muzbat, Ma Purima, Mazimatul Manfi. Okay. Okay. I am giving one word. Okay, and this is a test, and I will see who will give me the quick answer. Okay, so let me erase this. Okay, I'm now erasing the bottom part, so it will easy for you to. Or if you are ready, I can erase the bottom as well. Okay, so this is a bonus question. Let me see who is giving me the answer. Okay, it could be any, either you or Kamil or. And the word is easy, which is Sami'a. Sami'a. Whoever is ready can give this answer. Okay, start.
I can give it.
Okay, try. Sami'a.
So Sami'a, it would be past Maroof and
If you all three go together, I'm fine. Yeah,
it
go
would be
ahead.
past Maroof and Muzbat.
Very good.
And then Ma Sami'a
Ma Sami'a.
would be past Maroof and Manfi.
Very good.
And then the next one would be Sumia,
Sumia.
which is past Majhool Muzbat.
Very good.
And then Masumia, which is past Majhool Manfi.
Very good. Very good. Farah, I didn't hear your voice. Ma Sumia. Okay, what is Samia means? Hear. Okay, hear. Sunna. Hear. Hearing. Okay, hear. Sunna. And Alhamdulillah, very good. Farah, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, what happened?
I don't know.
Okay, so the last one, okay, before ending the class, last one. I'm erasing everything and I'm giving a typical word to you guys, okay? And I'll see who is giving me this answer. Just keep the formula in the mind and then you can give the answer, okay? Ij, ta, na, ba. Ijtanaba means to stop, okay? To stop something. When doctors say you are not allowed to eat this, okay? That means doctor is stopping you from eating something. That is called ijtanaba, okay? To stop you something, okay? Yes. Who wants to give a try? One,
Okay,
two,
I'll
three,
try it.
and four. Okay. If you all three go together, I'm fine. Okay. I'm hearing from all three of you.
Okay. Ijtanaba, mildly, mildly, um, Maroof Musbat, Ma,
Mazi Maru Musbat, very good.
Ma,
Kamil, say it, even if it's wrong. Try. Yes.
Ma
What is
Ijtanaba,
the word? Ma ijtanaba.
mildly, um, ma, mildly,
Mazi.
Maroof, Maroof, no, yeah, Maroof, Manfi,
Manfi.
and then Ujtinaba, or
Uj.
is it Ujtinaba or Ujtanaba? Hmm.
Uj. Ti. Ijtinaba.
Okay, Ujtinaba, which is Madi Majhool Muzbat.
Very good.
Ma Ujtinaba. Madi Majhool Manfi.
Madi Majhool Manfi. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Very good. Okay. So this was basically not two-letter verb. Okay. One, two, three, four, five-letter verb. Okay. But if you know the formula, put the fatha on the first word. Let's suppose if it's sakin, leave as it is. There is a rule, okay? For five-letter verb, there is a rule, okay? How to make it. Otherwise, alhamdulillah, you guys are very, very, very good. Alhamdulillah. I think it's clear now. Like I don't think so that you have any confusion in understanding the mazi. Clear?
Clear.
Very good. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So Alhamdulillah, we have finished the entire whole Mazi. And I'm surprised, like we spent so long time to finish it. Alhamdulillah, you have done Mazbat, you have done Manfi, you have done Mazbat Manfi for Maroof and Mazbat Manfi for Majhool, both. Alhamdulillah. You have covered four Gardan in this, right? This is one, this is one, two, three, and four. Alhamdulillah, you have done it. Alhamdulillah. The Madi you are done. And for Mudari, when you will start from next week, inshallah. So you will not be having any problem in doing the Mudari because if you know the past very good, then it will be very easy to do the Mudari. Very, very easy, inshallah. So just keep the book handy and then, inshallah, inshallah, revise it before starting the mudare. Revise it so it will be all fresh. Like Mazi will be all fresh. And when you are reading Quran, try to focus. Like try to focus. Okay, I can figure out this is three letter, Maroof word. This is Majhool word. Okay, so inshallah, when you are reading Quran, try to focus. Or if possible, figure out five words from Quran and then inshallah show me next week. Okay, from Mazi. If possible, if you get chance reading Quran and you figure out, okay, this was a Mazi Maroof or this was a Mazi Majhool, so inshallah we'll see. Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay. So inshallah. Any questions?
No.
Kamil, any questions? Zara, I didn't
No.
ask any questions to you because I don't know, like you were understanding or not. But if it's not very hard for you, I will love if you will give answer in the class. Okay, so inshallah, tell me. Okay. Okay. So inshallah, read the dua. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi.
Subhanallah wa bihamdihi.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika.
Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta.
Ashhadu an
أشهد
la
أن لا
ilaha
إله
illa
إلا أنت
anta.
Astaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.
Astaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.
إليك
Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun.
Subhana rabbika
ربك
rabbil
رب
izzati
العزة
amma
عما
yasifun.
Salamun ala mursaleen.
والسلام على المرسلين
Assalamu alaikum.
Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.